Alright, hi YouTube, Mayhem going ham, back at you guys with a brand new video, and today I'm going to show you guys how to mine Dogecoin. Now I know I have not made a video in a while, and this is probably not a video you guys expected, but nonetheless this is some I find interesting and something that can benefit you guys a lot more than GTA 5 glitches, I am sure of it. So Dogecoin has gone quite a bit up in value, and it will keep doing so for a while. So that's why I recommend this coin to mine, and a lot of people too, because it's eventually going to hit $1, and it's very easy to mine one Dogecoin very quickly. All right. In the description of this video, you'll be given 3 links. The first link is a mega file, which you will download the file, of course. Second will be Doge Chain, which will allow you to create a Dogecoin wallet. And after you create your wallet, you're going to be given your Doge address. You want to copy this, all right? Don't worry about the third link just yet, as it's not relevant right now. So once you download the folder, you'll see it right here. You can open it up. You'll see the Dogecoin miner, and you want to simply drag it out to your desktop. Simple. You want to open it, and you'll be given these folders, nice and dandy. You don't have to really touch any of them, except this one. So you see start, you want to left click, right click, edit. As you can see, you'll be given all this stuff. This is not really relevant. All you want to worry about is where it says Dogecoin. You want to simply get rid of this, and you want to paste your Doge address. That is it. Then you want to go to file, save, and then quit, and then you're done. You can start mining your Dogecoin. Also, something important that you guys probably should know is that your antivirus will detect this as a virus, but again, I promise you guys, it's not a virus. I wouldn't worry about it at all because it's not a virus. So you might have to disable your antivirus for a while. That you just might have to disable it for a while. Now, the last step, what you want to do is you want to open up the third link, and you'll be given something like this. And obviously, you're going to choose Dogecoin because that is what you're mining. And also, very important to note, if your GPU, oh, never mind, these are all CPUs. No, don't mine with a CPU. It is not worth it, especially if you don't have a all-in-one water cooler, because it will get too hot and the benefit is just generally not there. So you want to see where it says enter your address to check your stats. You want to simply check, or you want to simply put your Dogecoin address here. You want to click the search button, and it will bring up, guess what? It will bring up your Dogecoin and what it's doing right now. And the reason why it's up so much is because I have made multiple trials of this video, and I couldn't figure out why my voice sounded so weird. But now it sounds fine, so great. So usually before this shows up, it will take like 15 minutes or so for yours to show up. It may take less than that, it may take more, but it's usually 15 minutes, so I won't worry too much about it. Now make sure it's mining, and obviously you can tell it's mining, and now you're done. A few disclaimers is that I would check your temperatures. So have a program like MSI Afterburner. Make sure it doesn't get too hot. Tweak your fan curves if you need it, but you also don't want to bring up your fans too much, because then you'll wear the fans out quicker. But you rather much do that than instead of obviously overheating your GPU, because that's not good. And last thing, and this is probably the most important thing, is that you make sure you have a good GPU, because a lot of the time you're just going to be wasting your time. If you're mining with something less than a 1050 Ti, you're just not going to get the benefit from it. Now, keep in mind though, as well, you're not mining for the current value of Dogecoin, because Dogecoin is not worth anything substantial right now. You're really relying on it eventually being worth $1, because that's probably when you want to sell it. So let's say you get like 500 Dogecoin and then it hits $1, you want to sell, because I can guarantee you a lot of people are waiting for it to hit $1 and they're going to sell right away. So as soon as it hits 1, I don't predict it going up anymore. It's going to crash. So sell when it hits $1. So I would also keep a track of that. Anyways, that's all for this video. I can't think of anything else to include. If you have any questions, leave them in the description. Leave them in the comments. I'll be more than willing to answer them. And let's see if we have any Dogecoin. Probably not, because the server takes a while to load. As you can see, there is nothing here. So I hope you guys have a good day, and yeah, peace. Subscribe for more content that I may not post because I am very inconsistent. Anyways, bye guys.